tractor, as we call it. So this is Debbie Geiger with her 1957 320. Only 3,004 were built from 1957, 58. It is the smallest tractor John Deere built in 1957. It was purchased in February 1997 by the Geigers, and they're the third owners. It was restored in July of the 2000. Now what the Geiger family has done to get to the Glendale show is they have the full series of these tractors. The 320, the 420, the 520, the 620, the 720, and the 820. This is probably the most colorful of those series of tractors that we're in. The Geiger family does hail from the state of Michigan, and they go back and they visit Michigan occasionally. So if you're in Michigan, every year they do a big tractor parade over the Mackinac Bridge, and that's what it connects lower Michigan up to the peninsula side there. So this tractor, I believe the 420, which is the other tractor, those two tractors have gone over that Mackinac Bridge on that series in there. And this is set up with the planter on it. So if you look at it, it's a one row, and then it's got the cultivators on the back of it. And that is a standalone tractor that the Geiger family's had. And we're pulling this tractor on out. We'll see how well it goes. And this is a standalone 320, was just a series that was built, 3,005 of them. That was all that was built by John Deere, that model. So it makes it very collectible. And we're still going. Got through a little soft spot there. And we're still going. And we're still going. Pretty amazing. I think we're done. 4920, 136% on that full.
Okay.
Looks like we're going to pull two more, and then we're going to take a break for lunch, and then we'll be back with the parade. And then we'll be pulling more this afternoon.